As the small paper airplane was carefully folded, it carried not just blank sheets of paper, but dreams, hopes, and the power of perseverance. In the hands of its creator, every crease was a promise for the journey ahead. Every gentle stroke a preparation for a flight full of challenges. Now that paper airplane softly takes off, soaring through the glowing neon skies of a futuristic city, where towering skyscrapers blend with advanced technology, and dreams merge with reality. It glides past bright streets and bustling crowds, carrying the message that no matter how small, as long as we fold ourselves with faith and passion, each of us can rise, fly far, and break through limits to reach new horizons. This paper airplane doesn't need engines or fuel. It only needs a heart set forward, a soul that dares to dream, and hands that never stop creating miracles. And so, amid the lights and hope of the future city, this little paper airplane continues its flight, becoming a symbol of inner strength and an unquenchable desire to soar.